are some victories that I love to celebrate with clients, one of which is when we do something called the Deal Accelerator workshop. And in Deal Accelerator workshops, clients bring deals that they are working on that are stuck, that they need to unlock and accelerate. And I love celebrating victories where somebody brings a deal into a workshop and we apply the challenger principles specifically to that deal, that opportunity, and figure out strategies to help people unlock those deals. And the insights that come out of that, the excitement that comes out of that, the motivation that comes out of those workshops for people to implement those strategies to unlock those deals and ultimately close those sales opportunities are extremely, extremely gratifying as an advisor.